guys, this is Lee with the T, giving you more mental health tools to put inside of your toolkit, honey, because the more we know, the better we can prepare ourselves. And the better we can prepare ourselves, the more we can advocate for ourselves and the people that we love. So when I first really got into mental health, like when I just jumped into the pool of mental health and the education behind it, I did two courses that kind of just really were core memories for me when it comes to mental health. And they were through NAMI of Maryland, and that's the National Alliance on Mental Illness. And it gave me such a boost. One, their peer-led classes, which were just, it was refreshing because there were people in the class who they didn't want to talk. There were people in the class who wanted to like really delve in and give their all. Some of the people who didn't talk really wanted to express themselves, but were having a hard time because when you meet each other, you're all new. And it can feel a little uncomfortable talking to people who don't really know you, and you get stuck in this judgy place. So NAMI of Maryland has different affiliate programs in Maryland and different counties. So let's talk a little bit about NAMI. Maryland's Voice on Mental Illness. The National Alliance on Mental Illness, NAMI, is the nation's largest grassroots mental health organization dedicated to building better lives for the millions of Americans afflicted by mental illnesses. The NAMI organization operates at the national, state, and local level. They are so very involved in different aspects of getting laws passed for mental illness, helping getting funding for mental illness, working alongside of different facilities and government entities, and really pushing for better laws to help people who are going through mental health issues and crises. NAMI Maryland is the NAMI state organization of Maryland. NAMI Maryland provides educational resources and events, statewide outreach, advocacy, and affiliate organizational support. NAMI Maryland provides the free training that allows NAMI's affiliates to deliver NAMI programs. Local NAMI affiliates in Maryland offer free peer support, education, and outreach programs, and engage mental health advocates in their community. NAMI provides strategic direction for the entire organization, support to NAMI's state and affiliate members, and engage in advocacy, education, and leadership development nationally. Let me say this. I personally feel like NAMI gave me such a boost in my purpose. And the reason why that happened was because sometimes when you start talking about issues that have stigmas attached to it, when you start talking about issues that have a lot of false information being put out there, when you're talking about issues that afflict a lot of people, and there's so many nuances to the reasons why this particular issue, mental health, afflicts different cultural, class, religious, and the intersection where we have people with disabilities, the LGBTQ plus community, we're talking about marginalized communities, and then we kind of start really digging deep. We get into, Black men, when we start talking about children who live in war zones within their communities, when we start talking about people who have been abused, people who were born with disabilities, who are also not only suffering from mental health issues, but are going through and are in places where abuse is happening, neglect is happening, where their rights are being taken away from them. This is like one of those places where you just get to be you, and you get to talk about mental health, mental wellness, mental illnesses, mental disorders from your point of view. And that's what I really like about NAMI. So they can be located Their website is NAMIMD.org. Every person that I've spoken to that's attached to NAMI so far has been so kind and open and welcoming. And I want to do more volunteer work with them, but I also had to get myself together, because when you are presenting yourself in front of other people and you haven't really gotten yourself together, yes, it can be a bonding experience, but if it paralyzes you to be there and to like talk and, share your story, I always say, you have to decide when you feel open enough to be there. They love volunteers. And they have so many free programs that you can take advantage of, so that it helps you build yourself up. It helps you connect and find just another family that you didn't know you could be attached to. So again, it's NAMIMaryland.org. I love this place. NAMI, Maryland. So good. Makes me feel warm. I love it. Bye.